Hi, everybody. My name is Gary Eby from Cave Junction, Oregon, USA.
Hi, I'm David McAllister from Boise, Idaho, USA.
And together we
And
thought, I'm sorry, David, together I thought we would
okay,
do something we're calling the Magnificence of Eight. It's a meditation format, a collective consciousness. You want to tell us a little bit more about it, David?
sure. Um, when individuals in a group focus their intention together on a single target, a powerful collective dynamic emerges that can heal long-standing conditions, mend fractured relationships, lower violence, and even rekindle life purpose.
Excellent. And for everybody's information, there's a book called The Power of Eight. You can get it on the internet, right, David? It will
Mhm.
explain more what we're trying to do, but we came up with our own little variation today. And David, would you help us sort of get started, centered with that, with a little exercise on preparing ourselves to come together and focus on something positive?
I will. I want to share something that has just made a difference for me, helping me ground myself dozens and dozens of times during the day because I know we can go all off track and create all kinds of things we need to clear up later on. So I'm going to share something that I have enjoyed. It's my grounding meditation. Let me just take a deep breath. And today, as often as I feel I need to, I claim my moment by taking a deep breath and let myself become aware of as many things around me as I can. What can I smell? How many things can I hear? The trees rustling, traffic in the background. How many things can I feel? Feel the wind on your face, your feet, your back. Now, as I become aware of my surroundings, I become grounded and know that I am safe, I am peace, I am light. This moment of now is where miracles happen.
Beautiful, David. I say yes to miracles. What about you?
Yeah, I do too.
Well, let's try a little sample of our own version of what we're calling the Magnificence of Eight. We need
Okay.
to come up with a specific target, what we're calling an intention. And I was thinking, why don't we focus on peace in Ukraine? How does that sound
I
today
like that.
as a sample?
Yeah.
And and I encourage all of us to sort of visualize light and love surrounding the Ukrainian people, surrounding the Russian people, and
Surrounding the world.
surrounding the world. And let's see that everyone is breathing in this light and love, and we're going to envision an awakening for the power of peace. How is that? We're
I
going to
agree.
we're going to envision awakening for the power of peace. All right. And so, according to the traditional Power of Eight principles, people hold hands. We can't do that on the internet. But let's start off by sending each other some positive energy. All right. And let's take some deep breaths. Hold on to that vision of peace in Ukraine and Russia, and let's do a little meditation to some music. Hopefully, this will work. I'm not a really good technical person, but let's try this.
Okay.
So, how was that, David? Did you get any visuals or some sort of reaction from that?
I did. It was very peaceful, and I just had this vision of Ukrainian people, and they're just kind of looking to the sky as hope and light starts sprinkling over everybody.
Yeah, that's lovely, David. For me, again, I had this sense of really being at ease,
Hmm.
feeling hopeful, feeling connected to the music, to the lovely sights, and to this vision of people in Ukraine and Russia and the world awakening to the power of peace.
Hmm.
All right. So, folks, that's a sample of what we're trying to do today. Right now, we're trying to gather like the last Thursday of the month, right, David?
Yes.
At 7 p.m. Pacific time. That might change, but stay tuned. We're going to put this on out there on the internet, and let's come together and see what we can do to bring about some positive change in the nation and the world. Any final comments, David?
No, just be well. Be
All
well and
right,
remember to breathe.
breathe. See you guys later. Bye bye now.
All right. Bye.